before it hangs around a champion's neck. It begins deep within the earth.
Gold, silver, and copper are refined under temperatures exceeding 1000 degrees Celsius.
Electrochemical purification removes microscopic impurities, achieving near-perfect metal purity.
From liquid fire to solid ingot, the foundation of history begins to take shape. High-torque rolling mills compress solid ingots into precision-calibrated metal sheets.
Laser measurement systems verify sheet thickness to within a fraction of a millimeter.
Controlled cooling relieves internal stress, ensuring structural stability for further forming.
Hydraulic presses cut perfectly symmetrical metal blanks with uncompromising precision. Each blank is inspected and sorted before the engraving process begins. Hardened tool steel blocks are secured into position, prepared to carry the imprint of the games. Computer-controlled cutting tools carve the steel die with micrometer precision. The die is heat-treated to extreme hardness, ensuring it can withstand thousands of high-pressure strikes. Under hundreds of tons of pressure, the design is permanently forged into metal.
The first impression emerges, crisp, permanent, and unmistakably precise.
Edges are machined to perfection, removing microscopic irregularities.
Controlled tumbling smooths the surface, eliminating invisible abrasions. A flawless mirror finish reflects not only light, but the pursuit of excellence.
Before plating begins, every surface is chemically cleaned to remove microscopic contaminants. An electric current activates the plating bath, initiating molecular bonding at the surface.
Layer by layer, atoms of gold bond to the surface, measured in microns, yet permanent.
A precision rinse neutralizes the surface, locking the plating into place. Gold, silver, and bronze each follow distinct chemical processes, yet all demand identical precision. Each metal enters a sealed laser station where its identity will be permanently engraved. A fiber laser etches the event, discipline, and year, burned into metal with micron accuracy. Indexed rotation ensures perfect alignment across the entire circumference. Each metal receives a unique serial number, ensuring permanent traceability. Recycled polymer pellets are melted and extruded into ultra-fine threads for the ceremonial ribbon. Cooling and tension alignment increase tensile strength while maintaining flexibility.
High-speed jacquard weaving forms the official pattern, thread by thread.
Laser-aligned cutting ensures exact length, while thermal sealing prevents fiber fray.
The ribbon is secured, transforming metal into a symbol meant to be worn.
Dimensional tolerances are verified to within hundredths of a millimeter.
Each metal's mass is calibrated to exact specifications, ensuring consistency across every award.
Under intense illumination, Even microscopic surface imperfections are detected and eliminated. Serial numbers are digitally verified, linking each metal to official certification records.
Only after full verification is each metal certified, ready to represent a lifetime of achievement.
A transparent anti-tarnish coating protects the surface without altering its brilliance. Tamper-evident holographic seals safeguard authenticity during transport.
Until shipment, metals are stored within biometric secured vaults under controlled conditions.
Custom-engineered cases ensure shock resistance and environmental protection during global transport.
Reinforced transport crates are sealed with shock indicators and tamper-proof locks.
Under strict security protocols, crates are transferred to armored transport vehicles. Escorted shipments travel via secured air cargo toward the host nation.
After a carefully monitored journey, the medals arrive, ready for the world stage.
Under supervision, the transport crates are opened inside secured ceremony preparation rooms. A final polish ensures flawless brilliance under stadium lights.
Medals are arranged with precise symmetry, gold, silver, and bronze awaiting their moment.
Backstage, ceremony officials prepare for the moment that defines years of effort.
Under stadium lights, the medal reflects more than brilliance. It reflects destiny.
After years of sacrifice, the athletes take their place on the podium. In one quiet motion, metal meets memory. Every micron of engraving now carries the weight of a dream fulfilled. As the anthem rises, the medal becomes a symbol of nation, sacrifice, and triumph.
Every medal is formally documented under calibrated lighting for permanent Olympic archives.
Over decades, medal designs evolve, each reflecting the culture, technology, and identity of its era.
For others, the medal rests at home, a daily reminder of perseverance and possibility. Under magnification, engineers examine surface integrity at the microscopic level.
Accelerated corrosion testing simulates decades of environmental exposure in controlled hours.
Hardness tests verify structural resistance against impact, abrasion, and time.
Engineered to endure, each metal is built to survive generations without losing its brilliance.
The journey begins with responsibly sourced metals, extracted under strict environmental and ethical standards.
Recycled metals are reintegrated into production, reducing environmental impact without compromising purity. Energy-efficient induction furnaces significantly reduce carbon emissions during smelting.
Closed-loop water systems recycle polishing fluids, conserving thousands of liters daily.
Modern Olympic medal production is measured not only in grams of metal,
but in grams of carbon reduced.
Invisible to the naked eye, micro-engraved security codes authenticate every metal. Under ultraviolet light, hidden authenticity marks confirm official production. Each serial number is digitally recorded in secure authentication systems to prevent counterfeiting. Tamper-proof holographic seals secure metals before they leave the facility. A final verification scan confirms authenticity before global distribution begins. Under strict security, the shipment departs, crossing continents toward its Olympic destination.
Upon arrival, security teams escort the metals directly to official Olympic storage facilities.
With formal documentation signed, the metals officially enter the Olympic Games. Across generations, metal designs evolve, each reflecting the spirit of its era.
Today, new metal concepts begin as digital models engineered with micron-level precision.
Look at the tensile strength on this one. It surpassed the threshold.
Incredible. This changes everything for the fuselage design.
Prototype metals are milled with cutting-edge precision to validate design and structural integrity. The next generation of metals will blend heritage craftsmanship with technological innovation. Behind every engraved line stands a craftsperson whose precision transforms metal into meaning. In the foundry, skilled technicians guide molten metal with absolute control.
Design is not only engineered, it is debated, refined, and inspired by shared vision.
For those who craft them, each metal carries pride, long before it carries glory.
In seconds, the moment is broadcast to millions, connecting continents through a single symbol.
Behind every metal lies countless unseen hours of discipline and determination.
Forged from metal, shaped by craft, elevated by human spirit.
A metal may be crafted in one place, but its meaning belongs to the world.
Years later, the metal still holds its brilliance, untouched by time, untouched by memory.
Long after the applause fades, what remains is the quiet weight of achievement.
Across generations, metals have symbolized excellence, unity, and human potential.
Even at the microscopic level, structure defines strength and permanence.
Metal shaped by fire, defined by craft, immortalized by achievement.
Each metal is secured within precision-engineered cases designed for international transport. Every case is sealed, logged, and tracked with complete supply chain traceability. From factory floor to global stage, the journey spans thousands of miles. Upon arrival, security protocols ensure absolute protection until ceremony day.
Backstage, final preparations begin, polished, aligned, and ready for history. After years of effort, they rise onto the podium where history is written. And in this single motion, metal meets meaning. In that weight rests sacrifice, resilience, and relentless pursuit. A symbol crafted in fire now represents an entire nation. From molten metal to moment of triumph, the journey is complete.
Its value is not only measured in victory, but in inspiration passed forward.
Wow, look at the gold one! It's a real Olympic medal. I want one of those someday.
For the hands that shaped it, this is their moment too.
Across cultures and continents, the medal unites stories of human excellence.
When the stadium empties, the symbol remains.
Even as one Games concludes, preparation for the next has already begun.
New metal arrives, ready to be transformed once more.
Check the pressure on gauge 4. It seems low.
Adjusting dial C now. That should bring it back into tolerance.
And once again, solid metal yields to flame, beginning the journey anew. It begins as metal. It becomes a symbol. Forged in fire, shaped by precision, elevated by human spirit.
A circle of metal, a lifetime of meaning.
Behind every moment of glory lies the unseen art of manufacturing.